everyone, welcome to this magnificent ceremony of Elementor's 6th birthday. Hope you're all well. As you know, the Elementor is a leading brand among others in the online marketplace. And we feel proud to be a part of this major community. It's a great pleasure that Elementor has traveled a long way over the last 6 years. We wish it will continue its journey with great glory. Elementor was founded in 2016 by Yoni Lucasberg and Ariel Kristein. Surprisingly, they predicted a huge outburst in the crowd for their magnificent tool, the Elementor Page Builder. Within 2 years, the total number of users exceeded 1 million and doubled the next year. Today, the total number of user interaction goes beyond 178 million in headcount. Whoa! So much to say for a brand that made web development seems child's play. Now let's hear more from our marketing management team.
Thank you, Abdullah Sakif. Well, there are reasons why Elementor is the top boss here. It's a drag and drop interface which makes the user easygoing. Any non-techie and newbie can use Elementor very easily. It provides excellent widgets that are easy to use. The widgets control are superb. Using Elementor, anyone can do anything he wants. Let's cheer up, welcome Elementor on its 6th anniversary. Now, we would like to hear from our CEO. Please.
Thank you. In the journey throughout my life, as a CEO of my company, I been introduced many brands, but I can say it doubtless that Elementor is the best I have been ever seen. It helped me grow and increase my business from starting to till now and running. It's awesome. I applaud and appreciate the Elementor team for what they are doing. Needless to say, Elementor started late but achieved great things within these few years and still growing. It's much more flexible and versatile than any other WordPress platform. I hope I will continue my journey of progress more with Elementor in the future. Happy birthday, Elementor. Go big, go beyond. Thank you. Now, please tell something, Joy.
Thank you, sir. I can say with firm confidence that Elementor is a brand that is flawless in the online marketplace. As much as it's useful, it helps making our imagination come true. I am pleased using this for a long time and it is growing more helpful day by day. Happy birthday, Elementor, on his 6th year. Thank you. Now we will hear from our developer, Shoidul.
Thanks, Oil. There is nothing more to say about Elementor, as it is the leading brand in the WordPress field. Vast people around the world are satisfied with using Elementor. Its features are easy to manage and they provide speedy results. As a user, I can only say it's wonderful, it's handy. Happy birthday, Elementor.
Okay, enough talking. Come on, guys, let's celebrate the birthday.
Okay, come on!
Come on, come on, come on.
3, 2, 1.
আস্তে 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 আস্তে